misfire number 7. Any 53V80 nose lifter intake p0307 53. Check your injector, check your fuel filter.